Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are working with phonograms. A phonogram is a series of letters that represents one or more sounds. The vowel sound changes in a phonogram. The phonograms we're working with today are ong and ung. Our first word is sprung. Ung. Sprung. Our next picture is hung. Ung. Hung. Sprung and hung both have the same phonogram. Our next picture, the arrow is pointing to the long pencil. Ong. Long. Our next picture is a picture of a person flexing their arm, showing us how strong they are. Ong. Strong. You can see, boys and girls, that long and strong both have the ong phonogram. The next picture is a arrow pointing to the prong. Ong. Prong has the ong phonogram. Oh no, our next picture, it looks like they are getting stung. Ung. Stung has the ung phonogram. All right, bottom row. It looks like the children are singing a song. Ong. Song. Our next picture is a symbol that can stand for wrong. Ong. Wrong. And boys and girls, see this W here at the beginning of wrong? It's a silent W. We don't hear it. We just hear wrong. Our next picture is rung. The bell has already rung. Ung. Please pause the video if you need more time to finish. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to color sort our ung and ung phonograms. So what I want you to do is pick 2 colors of crayons, and we are just going to underline the phonograms that are the same. Sprung and hung. But long is a different phonogram, ong. So I'm going to use a different color. Ong. Ong. is the same as long. Prong, ong. Stung, ung. The ung phonogram. Song, ong. Ong. And our last one is rung, ung. Way to go, boys and girls. Flip your paper over when you're ready. All right, my friends, we are going to be doing some phoneme graphing mapping. It's going to be a little tricky today, so I just want you to do your best, but I will stay with you the entire time, so you have nothing to worry about. Our phonograms, ong and ung, have to share a box. And I know there's not a lot of room to write, but we're just going to try our best. So the first word is long. Ong. I hear two sounds, and ong. This is where it's going to get a little tricky. Gets its own box, but then we're going to have to squeeze ong into one box, long. Very nice. And write it on the side. Ong. Go ahead and pause if you need more time. Our next word is hung. Ung. So two sounds. Ung. Oh, it's going to be tight. Hung. Ung. Then please write hung on the side. And please pause if you need more time. Our next word is strong. Ong. Ong. First sound. Ong. Strong. Please write strong on the side. Strong. Our next word is stung. The bee stung me. Finger stretch. Ung. 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 Stung. Please write stung on the side. Please pause the video if you need more time. Our next word is song. Ong. I hear two sounds. Ong. Ong. There's that phonogram. Ong. Ong. Our next phonogram is Kong. Ong. Ong. All right, my friends, you did great with phonograms today. Again, we're just going to pick two colors, and we are going to underline the matching phonograms. So I'm going to use green to underline ong, 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 ong. And then I'm going to use blue to underline ung. Ung. St. Ung. All right, my friends, you did fantastic. Way to go with those phonograms. Remember, a phonogram is a series of letters that represents one or more sounds. Go ahead and turn your paper in and move on to Lexia.